ano po yung nakikita nyo pinakamalaking hamon na inyong kakaharapin? Because you don't have, as I said, the luxury of time. And itong kinakatakot ko, Pat P, no matter how many beautiful things you start to do now, aren't you afraid po of the usual problem of continuity? Lalo na pag nagpalit tayo ng administrasyon kasi ilang taon na lang eh.
Well, there's always that chance na hindi maitutuloy. Pero I think what's important is yung policy direction po natin following President Bongbong Marcos's instructions. Ang unang sinabi po niya sa akin when I took my oath was that first, I think we have to speed up the processes. That's number one. Pangalawa, ilapit natin ang serbisyo sa tao. So just to share with you, a month ago, we launched the permitting on wheels of the DNR sa lahat po ng rehiyon to. So lahat ng rehiyon, monthly, we're doing this monthly now, bumababa ang aming mga tanggapan because we realized, you know, we take it for granted pero yung ibang mga kababayan natin, nahirapan pumunta sa mga offices namin. I mean, yung
ano
iba,
po ba usually yung permits na hinihingi
dami po.
nila?
Under the EMB, you need a wastewater discharge permit for any, kahit na small and medium size business lang. Any, but siyempre, malalaki lalo na. Number two, you need, if yung negosyo may emissions, you need a permit to operate from the EMB also. For almost anything, you need an environmental compliance certificate. You need an ECC. Kung tungkol sa lupa, mag-a-apply ka. Kung gusto mong you're applying for a free patent dahil matagal ka na nakatira, over 30 years ka na nakatira, pero hindi pa napapasayo, hindi pa nasa pangalan mo. And di ba, siyempre, importante sa mga kababayan natin ang security. So, tree cutting permit.
Tree cutting.
Mag-a-apply ka ng tree
Kahit na
cutting.
NGO ka lang, kailangan po ng tree cutting. Kasi daming NGOs, di ba? Meron tree cutting activity.
Anybody needs a tree cutting permit, kahit sino.
So you're making it more accessible by having this wheel,
kasi kahit na yung ibang mga permitting namin have been online for some time, through the years, syempre nakakatanggap kami ng mga reklamo na unang-una, alam naman natin, our internet system is not the best in the world.
Yung
I mean, to be polite. Tapos, pati yung sistema namin, lumalabas, may pa mga pagkukulang din. Nahirapan ng mga tao mag-upload ng documents, nahirapan mag-online payment. So, gusto namin, mababa monthly in different areas, different provinces and different regions. And then people will give advance notice that we're going to be doing this para makapunta mga tao doon. Marami kaming mga help desk for the different permits. And beforehand, we informed them already through social media and whatever other medium na ito ang mga requirements. Kasi pag nadala mo na, baka on-site maibigay na sa iyo yung permit. So this is, we
But
feel...
you need more information dissemination, Sec. Buti na lang you're the one telling us now. Because I've never heard about this permitting on wheels.
At saka yung mga permit na kailangan natin.
They're doing it already in social media.